Today's skill builder is about compare and order fractions. Fractions are used to represent a part of a whole. A fraction looks like this. The top number of the fraction is called the numerator. This number represents a part of the whole being represented. The denominator is the bottom number and represents the number of equal parts it takes to make the whole. Here is a number line split into fourths. It takes 4 equal parts to get to 1. The fraction 2/4 is located 2 purple marks from the 0. This number line is split into sixths. It takes 6 equal parts to get to 1. The fraction 2/6 is located 2 red marks from 0. Now, if we compare these two fractions, we see that 2/4 is further along the line than 2/6. 2/4 is greater than 2/6. Here are the fractions 1/4 and 1/8. Looking at the picture, which fraction has a bigger part covered? If you said 1/4, you are correct. When fractions have the same numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater in size. Let's put these fractions with the same numerator in order from least to greatest. Least to greatest means smallest to largest. The fraction with the largest denominator is the smallest. The smallest fraction is 2/8. The next fraction is 2/6, and the largest fraction is 2/4. Here are the fractions 1/4 and 2/4. Looking at the picture, which fraction has a larger part covered? If you said 2/4, you are correct. When fractions have the same denominator, the fraction with the larger numerator is the greatest in size. The purple lines on the ruler represent 1/4 of an inch. This is because the inch is split into 4 parts. The fox will represent 2/4. The fox will be placed 2 marks from the 0. The beaver will be located 6/4 from the 0. When comparing the fractions, because the denominators are the same, the fraction with the largest numerator is the greatest in size. This means 2/4 is less than 6/4. Let's put these fractions in order from greatest to least. Remember, if the denominators of the fractions are the same, the fraction with the larger numerator is the greatest. The greatest numerator is 6. 6/4 will be listed first, then 3/4, and finally 2/4. Congratulations, we made it to the end of today's lesson. Happy fractioning!